Good evening, everyone. Today is December 17, 2025, at exactly 9 o'clock in the evening. I'm trying to film right now how it looks like to have a blizzard storm. Although you cannot hear the sound of the wind, but it's kind of strong. So throughout the day, we received three environmental warnings. First was the freezing rain, and then another one was this blizzard, which might have, tomorrow maybe we will have at least 10 to 20 centimeters of snow, and also having this kind of wind gust at around 90 kilometer per hour. It's not really that you know you cannot really see how strong it is, not unless you are in an open field. But I'm kind of worried with other people who's still driving right now outside. There are still some vehicles traveling in the highways, and it's not really safe to drive, especially early this afternoon when there was still a freezing rain, because it makes the road very slippery. It's even hard to walk. But right now that there's already some snow shower together with a very strong wind, I think it will somehow cover the icy ground. But yeah, it's still dangerous to be outside. I don't know how it will look like tomorrow. So this is how it looks like right now, but we will see tomorrow. I think tomorrow it will be kind of thick, especially in our driveway. So another shovel day for us, and hopefully a quite warmer day for us. Although in the forecast, it says here that tomorrow will be a sunny day. So hopefully all these snows will just melt, and yeah, I'm hoping for a finer and warmer Thursday. Have a good night, everyone, and stay safe out there and warm.